In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set age guidelines on your Roblox game. So first, you need to go to your game. So if you go to create here, and over here you go to creations and go to your game. This is one of my games. You want to click at the three dots here and configure. Let's go to configure here, and if you scroll down until you see audience, this is the audience. So you want to go to maturity and compliance. Over here, it's basically a questionnaire that will ask you questions, and you're gonna answer them. Depending on your answers, they will put the maturity rating. So you can just click start, and like here you're gonna start answering yes, no, and some like other questions here. So after you finish all the questions, you're gonna basically click submit, and this will add the age guidelines. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.